What is the real difference in internet speeds? Imagine trying to stream a movie, play an online game, or upload a file. No matter what it is, you want it to happen quickly and smoothly. But have you ever wondered why sometimes your internet feels fast and other times slow? The truth is, many factors work together to determine your actual internet speed. Let's break down what really makes a difference. First, think of bandwidth as the size of a highway. It's how much data can flow through your internet connection at once. If you have a very wide highway, more cars can travel side by side, which means higher potential speeds. This is measured in megabits per second or gigabits per second. But just because you have a big highway doesn't mean you're always driving at top speed. That's where throughput comes in. It's the real speed you get when you're actually using the internet. Throughput can be less than your bandwidth because of traffic, hardware limits, or interference. For example, if many devices are using the same connection, they share the bandwidth, so each device gets less. This can slow down your downloads and uploads even if your connection is capable of faster speeds. Latency is another big factor. It's the delay between sending a request and getting a response. Measured in milliseconds, low latency means your commands reach the server quickly. This is especially important for activities like online gaming or video calls. High latency can make your experience feel sluggish, even if your download speeds are high. The path your data takes through the internet also matters. Data travels through many servers, routers, and internet exchange points. Efficient routing means your data takes the shortest, fastest route, reducing delays and packet loss. If routing is poor or congested, your internet will feel slower. The physical infrastructure behind your connection makes a difference too. Fiber optic cables are made of glass and transmit data using light, allowing for very high speeds and low latency. Copper cables, used in older systems, are slower and more prone to interference. Undersea cables connect continents and influence international data speeds. Local data centers and content delivery networks help bring websites closer to you, which reduces delay and speeds up loading times. When you run an internet speed test, it measures your download and upload speeds and latency. These tests can vary depending on the server used and your network conditions. If the test uses a nearby server and multiple connections, it often shows higher speeds than a test with a distant server or a single connection. In the end, the actual internet speed you experience depends on your internet service provider's network quality, the type of connection you have, how many devices are sharing your network, routing efficiency, and how close you are to content servers. Understanding these pieces helps explain why two people with the same advertised speed might see different results. Improving infrastructure, optimizing routing, and using content delivery networks can all help boost your real-world internet performance beyond just the numbers on your plan.